Hi friends, welcome to my channel Ophthalmology Academy. Today we are going to learn about optociliary collaterals. Optociliary collaterals, these are actually shunts, also called as optociliary or opticociliary shunts or retinochoroidal shunts or retinochoroidal collaterals. These are actually enlarged pre-existing peripapillary capillaries at the disc which enlarge in response to an obstruction to the venous outflow of retina, as we shall see later. These connect the central retinal venous circulation to the peripapillary choroidal circulation in the prelaminar region of the optic nerve head. These are large tortuous channels which disappear at the disc margins. Very important. These actually connect with the choroidal circulation, so that's why they disappear at the disc margin. They are usually seen in these three conditions, that's optic nerve sheath meningioma. A very typical finding in optic nerve sheath meningioma is optic disc collaterals, also seen in central retinal vein occlusion and chronic glaucoma. This is also seen, albeit uncommonly, in chronic papillary edema, in optic nerve gliomas, and in idiopathic intracranial hypertension, but most commonly in these three conditions which are listed here. These opticociliary shunts do not leak on FFA, since sometimes they might look like a neovascularization. They don't leak on FFA, which is in contrast to neovascularization which leaks. And this is a very important distinguishing point, because many of the conditions which cause lead to the opticociliary collaterals also cause neovascularization. Another distinguishing point is that in neovascularization vessels are very fine and reticulated like a mesh, whereas optociliary shunt vessels are larger as well as tortuous. A very important thing about optociliary shunts is that they protect against retinal ischemia, because they provide a pathway, they provide an alternative pathway for the outflow of the blood, hence provide against the retinal ischemia. This is a sketch to demonstrate the formation of these optociliary shunts. Here I have drawn, this is the choroidal circulation, that's choroidal veins here, and this is the central retinal vein, which is formed by the tributaries from the retina, these tributaries, which is formed by these tributaries in the retina. So this is the choroidal circulation. This whole is the retinal circulation. I am talking about the venous circulation here. The blood flows in this direction from the central retinal vein tributaries into the central retinal vein, while the choroidal circulation drains into choroidal veins and from there into the vortex veins. Now an important thing is, suppose there is an obstruction to the central retinal vein at in there, suppose there is a mass in the orbit which is compressing on the optic nerve, and hence by compressing also on the central retinal vein. So we'll have absent flow through this central retinal vein. So since this mass is compressing on the optic nerve, so it compresses the venous blood flow through the optic nerve, and that induces the formation of optociliary shunts as seen here. This yellow streak demonstrates the formation of the optociliary shunt. This is an actual fundus picture of optociliary shunts, as I can demonstrate here. These are the optociliary shunt vessels. They are connecting basically this retinal circulation going into the choroidal circulation. They are disappearing, and these are these optociliary shunt vessels disappearing at the. This is another one, and it's you must be noting here that they are mostly seen in the temporal quadrant. That's the temporal part of the optic disc. They are more commonly seen. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to my channel Ophthalmology Academy.